Relevance is subjective, but I try to stay relevant by supporting the younger artists. The one that became a hit from the first album, that song definitely changed my whole life. Just enjoy making music and try not to step over anyone's toes. Probably not winning awards, but I did visualize. I had a dream of being a composer and being a performer and reaching as many people as I can with my music. So the awards are, syempre, the icing on the cake. Of course, very happy, very proud. Yun lang.
Makakaasa po ba kami na dinidinig kami ng bagong music from you itong mga susunod na araw or the next?
Sa susunod na araw, wala siguro. Pero kakalabas ko lang ng solo album last year. Actually, first year anniversary na ngayon ng Method Adapter. Yeah.
Congratulations po.
Thank you so much. Relevance is subjective, but I try to stay relevant by supporting the younger artists. That's why I formed the music label, Usher Music, and we try to give yung mga other artists na medyo indie vibe na hindi nakakapasok sa industriya natin through the usual means. And yeah, I just try to give back what I got from the music industry. Thank you. Changed my life. It would probably be first single, I think it was Parico or Ligaya. I'm not sure, but the one that became a hit from the first album, that song definitely changed my whole life. I guess number one would be to not take it too seriously, not take your career so seriously. You tend to forget the big picture, which is, and I'm saying this because I went through this whole stage of parang taking things for granted, what the universe has given to me and what the fans have given to me, and yeah, just enjoy making music and try not to step over anyone's toes.